In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a tree map chart in Tableau in just 5 minutes. Tree maps are a fantastic way to visualize hierarchical data and get insightful visual summaries at a glance. Whether you're a data analyst or just getting started, creating a tree map in Tableau is straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to launch the Tableau app on your computer. If it's your first time, Tableau's interface might seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll walk through it step by step. After launching Tableau, you'll be greeted by the Start screen. Here, you can connect to a data source. Make sure you have your data set ready, as it forms the backbone of any visualization you'll create. Once your data is loaded and ready, the next stop is your worksheet. This is where all the action happens in Tableau. You'll find the Worksheet tab on the bottom left of your screen. Click on it and you're set to start crafting your tree map. In your worksheet, you'll see a list of your data fields on the left. Now let's bring your data to life by creating the tree map. Start by dragging the sales field from your data pane and dropping it onto the size area in the marks card. What this does is size the blocks in your tree map according to the sales figures, giving you a visual representation of your data's magnitude. You'll notice the tree map starting to take shape on your worksheet. Next, to give your tree map more context and color, drag the category field from your data pane into the color area. This allows you to differentiate between categories by color, making it easier to spot the different categories at a glance. To make your tree map more informative, add some labels. Drag both the category and sales fields into either the label field or text area of the marks card. This will display the category names and their corresponding sales figures directly on the tree map, adding another layer of insight. To expand the depth of your tree map, you can keep adding dimensions and measures. Drag the subcategory field into the label box to add another layer of detail. This way you can see subcategories nested within their main categories. It's a nifty way to provide a more granular view of your data. If you'd like to go even further, remember that Tableau allows for a lot of customization. You can tweak your tree map by adding more measures or dimensions, depending on the story you want your data to tell. Keep exploring and experimenting to see what works best for your specific data set. There you have it, a complete tree map chart in Tableau, crafted in just a few minutes. Don't forget to save your work and explore the options to share or export your visualization. Thanks for watching and happy data visualizing.